is that? Welcome back, guys, and it was a beautiful drive on the way here this morning. The weather is perfect, 56 degrees out to start. I'm at this church that has a lot of grass parking, so I'm going to start out doing this wooded section behind me, and then I'll work my way around over to another grass lot right back there. So hang with me. We're going to find some cool items today, maybe some, hopefully a piece of jewelry from days long gone. I think this church has probably been here since the 60s, and it's just going to be a great, wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the first dig. There you go, first find of the morning. Penny. From the cross to the ground, big penny. Gonna be an awesome day. In my hand. What do we have? Oh, wait, I don't feel anything. Oh, right there we go. That's strange. That would ring up at a 16. Well, dimes are 25. Let me double check that. Yeah, so now it's a 25, but maybe there's something else in the hole throwing the signal off, or it just could have been the way it was sitting in the ground. Oh, look. I think there's other junk in there. There is, right here. Something else. So that was throwing it off, and it's in my hand. Oh, there you go. There you go. So you get that's a good, oops, dropped it. Dang, you get two different items in the same hole. It can throw your signal off. So dime's usually a 25. You throw this in, which I was getting a 16, it could mix your signal up. So don't pass up those targets just because you don't think it's a coin. Dig them, especially if it's a solid, repeatable signal like this was. All right, getting a 22, 21. Gonna dig it. Oh, there it is. Dang. Looks like a little piece of a magnifying glass or something. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let me see if I got more in the ground. All right, you got a good target here, and it's in this clump. Nice and loud. This was a loud one, folks. Let's see if we can see it on film here. There it is. A quarter. Pretty loud. All these quarters are so tainted, man. Look at them. It's ridiculous. It's a nice one. I thought it was something else. Got a dime. Big dime. Oh, there's silver. Silver. God, I hope it ain't another one of those 10-foot pieces. What in the heck? Oh, what is that? It's a lighter. It's a lighter. It's got initials on it. Oh, please, I hope the rest is in there. Zippo, I can date that. Oh, look. Here's the cool part about the lighter. It was made in 1932. Now, there's no telling when it got lost, but in 1931, the movie Frankenstein come out, and that's going to tie right into this lighter. I want you to take a look now and follow me real slow on this. Take a look at the lighter. etched into the liner, somehow they managed to etch the name Frankenstein. You can see Frankenst. I think it's EIN. You have to look close at it. Just amazing. So what I think is that movie was very, very popular when it came out. They'd never seen anything like that, and whoever had this liner, that was just embedded in their mind. They ended up scratching it in there, then they lost it. Now I wish I could have found the top part, but I didn't. But that's just a cool piece, period piece, tying it in with the movie Frankenstein. Awesome. Being at 29.30, it's deep right there. Well, let's check it out. Sounds like a quarter. Right there, folks. Let's check it out. Cut a little plug. It looked like it was about 4 inches down. Oh, there it is. That's it. Just popped it out. And we have us a quarter. Here we go. Yeah. First quarter of the day, I'll take it. And it's a quarter. Some old quarters. Look how dark they are. Good. Yeah, it looks like an old hill, or a piece off of a shoe or a hill. I don't know what that is. Let's get it in focus. I don't know. No, I don't know if that's it because it's not flat on the bottom. Maybe an old lantern of some sort. Who knows? As if you know, leave a comment for me down below. I'm not real sure though. It's got a little lip on the bottom. Cool. Yeah, I got a nice loud target here. Threw the dirt out. Saw this, I focused in on this glass like crap. Maybe I busted the lid or something. And then I looked over and I saw a little bit of red. I have no idea. I haven't touched it. I don't know what it is. I know there's nothing metallic in the hole, so that's got. Oh, it's picking up. That's it right there. That's what it's sitting on. Let's see what that thing is. It's got some writing on it. I'm clueless though right now. I am clueless. It's got writing, a lid. Maybe that's where it's screwed on. I don't know. Oh, Valaze. Ooh, it looks like two people. That's weird looking. Man. God, I gotta get this cleaned up. Get you a better shot. That is very strange. A little history on this. This dates back to 1923. It's Helena Rubinstein facial cream called Valaze. Guaranteed to do away with wrinkles, sunburns, blackheads, acne, pimples, you name it. It says it will do it. Believe it or not. From 1923. That's a cool item to find. It's right here. It's in my hand. I love it when it's in your hand and you can't see it, but you know there's something there. And there it is right there. It's a penny. See, being a loud signal here, 30, 32. I want to hit it. Oh, there it is, right there. Look at that. It's got roots stuck in it. Oh. Can't wait to clean that guy up. Looks pretty cool. Little game of peekaboo. I can see that coin sitting right there. Can you see it? Right there. I'm trying to hide them. got. And it's a dime. Dime playing peekaboo. But you got comb. Got comb. I'm gonna go in the pocket now. There we go. Eats out of the hole. Ooh, what is that? It's like a butt or a rivet, maybe. Well, maybe about to say more of a button. To clean up, take a look at it. It's kind of cool. Something different to find early. Very interesting. I'll let you know when I clean up a little bit more and take a look at it. Looks like a zinc penny. Penny's out the butt. Goodness gracious. Maybe right on the top. You don't have to dig. Yeah, it was. See, right there. Got a dime. Didn't even have to get the spade or shovel. Folks, thanks so much for watching. Boy, this channel is just continuing to grow, and I appreciate everything. I'm in this back parking lot, just flying through here, and all of a sudden I get this screaming signal. So 34, 38, it's bouncing all over. I think I'm going to try right here. I think it's something big. All right, let's try it out. Mystery signal. It's a boomerang. Yep. Guaranteed to throw this and it goes nowhere. Golly Moses. All righty. At least it's out of the ground. Hunk of junk. Got a quarter out of the hole. Got to keep trying, never give up. Right here on the edge of the property line. Got a 26. Dug this bad boy up. It's amazing how these things just go everywhere. Kind of cool. Grabbed a clump of dirt and there it's set right there. Another penny. Yeah, I see a little orange. You want to guess? There's not much it's going to be orange unless it's a little, my guess, a little toy car, tractor, trailer. Hope I didn't hit it with the shovel. It's a little, well, that's kind of cool. I think it's a Cobra, yeah. That's kind of collectible, man. That car in that year, Hot Wheel. Hot Wheel, 1979. That's pretty sharp now. Digging that, digging it, digging it. Watch that bad boy take off. It's a quarter. 1971. 1971. Whoa. There it is. 1984. I don't feel jack. There it is. There it is. Lincoln. Ooh. A baby padlock. Ooh, I felt something. Yep, there's something right there. Oh, it's big. It is big. Oh, what is that? That's probably the back to like an old clock or something mechanical. All the gear. I bet you there's more down in that hole. Well, that's kind of cool. I bet you. Stand by. It's too many coins here, so we're going to speed things up. Penny.
Yeah.
Penny.
Big penny. Big, big.
It's a dime. Penny. All day long. Load me up with them pennies. Another penny. 1971. Ooh, they're everywhere. Zinc and Lincoln. Ugly dime.
Yeah, wait, pennies everywhere. I'll take it.
Another zinc penny.
Stinking Lincoln. Another Lincoln.
So many people think that every dig is a gold ring or a coin, and it's just not true. It takes a lot of work, folks. I dug a lot today, and it resulted in 150 items. That included some of the cars that you saw and the locks and so forth. But in the end, I ended up with 38 coins, and it took me about 5 hours today to do that. It's a lot of digging and a lot of work. Now, the COPTECH Vault. You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. I spoke to the community all the time about stranger danger and how it could happen. And it did in our community. This is an incident I had to talk to the media about. Please talk to your kids about the dangers of a stranger.
34, this is some kind of story. 2 children are home safe after being kidnapped by a homeless woman in Lakeland. 32-year-old Crystal Kinder was arrested and after kidnapping 2 children, ages 3 and 5, from the Parker Street Park Monday afternoon. She told police she wanted to teach them how to steal and live on the streets. Police say she lured the kids away from the park by promising to bring them to McDonald's. Once in custody, police say her motive was bizarre, and this is the first time they've heard of anything like this.
She is a transient. She lives on the streets, no permanent address, but her address now will be the Polk County Jail. And sometimes that's all it takes for a total stranger to take your kids and take off.
Well, neighbors say they have seen Kinder in this park before. She's been arrested several times in Polk County on charges ranging from theft to attempted murder. Now she's facing 2 kidnapping charges.